So what I'm going to show you are examples of symbiotic relationships that we can easily see in our backyard, and in this case, mine. So the three symbiotic relationships I really want to hit on is commensalism. Commensalism is where one benefits but does no harm, or has no other benefit for the other species. Two is mutualism. Mutualism is a definition of a win-win situation. They benefit both species. Three, the example that I want to show also is parasitism. In other words, another species doing harm to one other species, and in which case has no benefit whatsoever. So please enjoy these backyard examples that I have. This is an example of commensalism in our lecture for symbiosis. Here is what you just think of as a tree in the backyard. Well, if I get a closer look and I try to find it, let's see, where are you? I believe I found you. I am looking for a nest. So there's a nest in here, and birds have a commensalistic relationship with trees in that birds will make a nest within a tree. They use it as shelter, they use it as protection, but a tree has no actual benefit. And hopefully you can see it now. I'm gonna zoom in as far as I can go. And right there, right above my finger, is our nest in this tree. An example of a commensalism relationship in symbiosis. So in this example, I want to show you parasitism. You'll see that there are marks on this leaf almost like it's being eaten. Same as this leaf, and as I kind of go around, same as others. Right there. And you might be wondering, what would cause this in a rose bush? If you see here on the rose bud, as it clears up, you're gonna see these green little aphids. These aphids are attracted to rose bushes, and yes, they act as parasites. They don't benefit the rose bush in any way, and they eat the leaves, and in which case, if not taken care of, can damage a rose bush from growing, it can cause it to wilt, and depending on how severe it is, it can also cause certain death of the rose bush. But there is one thing that these tasty little treats bring, and that is ladybugs. So my journey now is to find you a ladybug to show how a rosebush plants in general have a mutualistic relationship with ladybugs. And right there is a ladybug, my little champion, one that will eventually save and my roses, loves to eat aphids, and builds a beautiful mutualistic relationship with plants. As you can see, plants will attract the aphids. The ladybugs will not harm the plant whatsoever, but will eat the aphid, and they will also seek the plant as a form of protection. So they do benefit each other in that sense, as they will keep aphids down, and they will be able to also gain protection, and both again will thrive. This is a beautiful example of a mutualistic relationship.